Okay, Mama.
Do it. Sucking helium part deux.
I'm pretty sure deux is 4. So
Deux is 2. I'm in French.
Then what is 4?
Deux, trois, quatre.
I thought it was deux, trois, quatre.
It's like quatre.
Do you want me to use yours? Where? It's right where your fingers.
What'd you do?
The finger one. It's just like bunched up.
Give me your
Hold your finger. I can't do this.
Ow, it's just hitting me out.
I don't think you. No,
Here.
I really don't see a hole anywhere.
It's right here.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh, David! I'm really scared this is gonna pop, and now I'm like afraid of it.
Just do it. Hi, you're...
Is that my normal voice, or?
I have no idea.
Where's my hole? I can't.
Butterfly. Butterfly. Why didn't you do it, you dump?
Hey, you didn't get it either.
Jenna,
That's a big hole.
a big old hole. I make you work in sweatshop for $1.50, bitch.
Fresh detangler.
Suck ass.
Was it normal voice? Why can't I hear myself? Okay, what am I doing wrong?
You're sucking in oxygen. You need to your lips all around
Oxygen. Well, this is hydrogen.
No, it's
Girl. Wrong element.
this is why I'm gonna fail chemistry.
Alright. Let's do this.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Hi. Jenna, you are horrible.
Why did I not do this?
You did. Oh God, just hold this. Just hold it. Where's the hold there? We only have like 2 minutes left.
I have to do this, and it has to pop.
Okay, right here. Okay. It's this big hole right here.
What big hole?
This hole, like right there. Do you not see this?
Jenna! Hey.
Oh my God!
Like, I don't think this is helium. Yes, it is, obviously. Hey.
Remember that one time, the last time you got it, and you were just like, "Hey, sorry."
My voice was so high.
I forgot. I lost the hole. How could you lose the hole? Hey,
That was kind of it. Just a little bit.
no, it wasn't. Mine's a tiny ass hole.